in the Ogaden. OYSU promotes and advocates for the rights of the youth and the children that have been displaced due to the conflict and who are spread in every single continent. Furthermore, OYSU monitors, reports, and educates international agencies of the violations and the abuses that the youth and the Somali people are facing due to the lack of resources and opportunities in the homeland. OYSU was founded on the fundamental principle that all human beings are born equal and have the rights to live in peace, dignity, and freedom, regardless of race, ethnicity, or religion. Our vision, so here in Seattle, we strive and engage in critical and thought-provoking discussions and lectures on relevant national topics and ideological and political and ideological awareness of the youth through forums, seminars, and other methods. Through seminars and trainings, we educate the youth to be able to prevent by themselves from misguided ideas, either based on religion or any other means. Even though we currently don't have an office, nor the tools, that doesn't stop us from providing after-school and homework assistance to our youth and children. Moreover, we create a platform for our youth and children designed to teach and educate them on the importance of our culture. Our mission, here in Seattle, we aim to mobilize, organize, and integrate the talents and potentials of the youth in the diaspora to our national capacity building. We actively work with other organizations and communities such as the Somali community of Seattle by tackling the national and the cultural issues in our society. We are hoping to engage and inform human rights agencies, both local and international levels, to help and advocate with us in achieving the basic human rights back home. So with that said, the guys are wearing t-shirts that we actually designed, and it says "Stop the Genocide in the Ogaden." We have a lot of events that we planned as an organization. We have a memorial that's coming up, and then we also we do a lot of cultural activity. We had a lot of cultural, events that we teach the youth and that we display to the community. So that's how we get back to the community. And thank you. So now we'll have our dance group come up.